I go in for an operation on my shoulder tomorrow, so hopefully it doesn't turn into any kind of a big deal where I can't work. I'd be totally disappointed. I won't even know how to act, to be honest with you. I'd be totally lost if I can't work. So, prayers on that for sure. Yeah, prayers on that for sure. And by the time you see this video, to be honest with you, I'll probably already had the surgery. Aluminum. Aluminum. Old sheet. Old sheet. I found an old, undamaged Care Bear 1983 American Greeting Corp. Wilton Enterprises, Woodridge, Illinois 60517. Of course, the terrible thing about that, it has down below it Korea 2105 1798, some numbers. So apparently not American made, but nevertheless, this old Care Bear thing, I don't think anything's wrong with it. My wife will probably make a cake in that thing one day. Uh-oh, found another motor. Another motor. Oh yeah, big one too. Another motor. Starting to really stack up. All these motors. And, not to mention, I brought a bunch of them in already. Man, no lie. Hey everybody, Scrapping with Grandpa. And I'm back. Although I'm not doing a whole lot. I just want to show you what we've been doing. I had Paul over here. And we tore down my pump house. That used to be right there because we wasn't using it for anything. And we tore down the kids' gym over here because the kids are grown up and they don't mess with it anymore. So we've loaded up the trailer. Paul is headed to the landfill. So while Paul's at the landfill, I'm just going around getting miscellaneous scrap metal, shred metal that we have all over the place. And I'm gonna pull it up to the front. Whatever's in my shed here, I'm gonna bring it out to the front. Whatever's on the ground, I'm just gonna look around, move it all out to the front so that when Paul gets back here, because we're gonna make a run on Monday, the scrapyard's reopening. So I'm taking it easy because my shoulder is a mess and I haven't started my PT yet. I was supposed to start today, but they got the address and everything messed up. So I'm going to start that probably tomorrow. They should be calling me today. And while Paul's gone, I'm going to take my tractor back here and just fill it up with miscellaneous metal and steel. And I'm going to start separating. I got so many of these bins now all over the place. I'm going to start separating with these green bins. I have Jamie gave me a bunch of bins, my darling wife, like these, and I'm going to set them around this pile, and I'm going to do extruded metal, aluminum, cast aluminum, stainless steel, aluminum breakage or irony aluminum, and I'm going to separate everything into its own bin. And from now on, everything will go into its own bin. And when that bin is full, we'll bring it to the scrapyard. And that's how I'm going to do it from now on. That way, I'm not going to have this ever again. Not to mention, it just doesn't look good. Just doesn't look good. Now, the good thing is I'm going to have a big 28 by 40, hopefully, building right there by April. Which I'm not building. It's going to be a metal building. I'll have a crew come in. They'll knock it out in a couple of days. I'll videotape all that when it's getting done. I've got to have some trees cut down first. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 or 5 trees. Big ones. The stumps taken out. My foundation poured. So there's a lot of work to be done there. But in the meantime, I want my yard to look like that. Everywhere. I want it to look like that. Now that building that I'm building is coming out somewhere around the center of this building back. 40 feet, so I've got to clean up, have all that cleaned up, and I'm hoping to have my slab poured within a month or 2 and ready for my building to be put on in April, May, I don't know, whatever. But that will be my scrap building from now on, since I'm retiring from roofing and I'm just going to do scrap metal just to keep myself busy. I'm just 59 years old. I'm just going to do stuff to keep myself busy. I don't want to go sit in the house and die. So anyways, that's what happens when you quit working. Keep myself busy. And the only reason why I quit roofing is because I just can't do it anymore. My body has worn out and it won't let me do it. So roofing days are over. All right, I got this trailer. I got that trailer over there. I've had several others in the past few years. Paul has the trailer that we used to carry our shingles, and we do scrap metal in it now. So anyways, that's where I'm at. And while I'm waiting on Paul, I'm just going to start bringing all the steel that we have towards the front, so that when he gets here, we can just get it loaded, and then we'll start separating and moving around some other stuff. So thanks for watching, and we'll just drop in here and there. Today, tire day. Huh? Talking to the camera. Today's tire day. I got a friend of mine coming over with a tire machine. Although I have seen online how to cut them off, and it's not terribly hard. And once I get them cut off, the Brunswick County landfill in my area will take them for free, the rubber, so I don't have to worry about the rubber part. So this one here is steel. Most of my tires are aluminum, but I still got to get it off that rim, so just so I can get it brought in, either for shred steel or my aluminum over there that Paul's working on. That's my trailer tire. We're keeping them. Yeah. Keeping all trailer tires. Anything trailer. Huh? Yeah, we're not going to keep it there. We're going to put our pallets down there. Alright. Try this. Ooh, yeah. Not easy working with just one arm. Alright, let's see what we can do. 1, 2, 3, 4 aluminum rims, plus my center cap. Right there. Aluminum. I got aluminum freaking everywhere, guys. Actually, you don't have to look too far to find out that I got a little bit of everything everywhere. So, aluminum thing's a joke. Pile that I have to work on. I think it's a beautiful thing, and all I need to do is find wheels for it. What's in there?
I don't know.
Oh, brass, copper, everything. Need to put that in my shed. I'm gonna put some more stuff in it though. Stuff I can take apart in the shed, micro scrap it. Right here. See, I got stuff right here. This I don't want in there.
Steel wheel.
Yep.
How about your breakers? What do you do with your breakers?
I keep all my breakers. I have a bucket right over there for them. I got a bucket over here. Go get my breaker bucket.
Not that one.
Yeah, not that one. Yeah. add some more back here.
Bucket.
Huh?
Bucket.
Breaker bucket right here. It's all breakers.
What's going on, man?
Hey, buddy. Yeah, I put most of the tires out front. Put most of them out front.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year. May 2020 be better than 2021 is all I can say. What do you think about that? Think it'll happen?
Definitely. I hope.
I hope so too, buddy.
Well, fucking.
I hope so too, my friend. Man, I got a big old box of breakers.
They always come in handy.
Oh, hey, buddy, how you doing?
Pretty good.
I didn't even know that was you with them. No, that was you.
Guilford County.
Guilford County. What you doing out there at Guilford?
Working with a buddy, helping him with some shit.
You know what that is?
Yeah, wallpaper.
Used to be back in the day. That's an old timer there, buddy. I had all the rest of it to it, but it was just all rusty up junk.
Brother's restoring a house, man. They had you on self wallpaper. And
Oh yeah,
and
that's a
sheetrock
piece of pewter right there,
with the
unbelievable.
wire in it.
Trying to get rid of some trash still around back here. I brought all the tires to the front. I know, I mean, I cut one off. It's a pain in the ass.
Yeah. Nah, tire machine knocking right on.
Pain in the butt. But I'm trying to get it cleaned up. I'm gonna have a 28 by 40 building right there, bud.
Heck yeah.
Big metal building. 28 by 40.
Damn. Pretty good size.
That's a big building.
You be able to take them trees down?
1,000 square feet. Yes, sir. I've already been asked. I already asked them. That one, that one, that one, and that one. And these two if I want to. I already asked them. I can take everything back all the way to my fence, they told me. Well, see, I own all of it, so it's not like I'm taking off all the trees off my property. There's still a lot of trees around.
You know they are about peckers.
Huh?
Woodpeckers, man. There's a wood.
Oh, no, I'm not in that zone right here.
Oh, you're not?
No, sir, I'm not in that zone right here. The zone doesn't happen until you cross that road right there. Matter of fact, cross the street's in it.
Cool. Big welder.
Like your incognito video.
You see it?
Yeah, he showed it. He's like, you got to see
That is
this.
funny.
That bitch
I got a bunch of them things, 2 or 3 sets of them that are good.
Yeah, those are for the old style, though. The
Yeah.
new style's fucking
Yeah.
different couplers.
Yeah, I don't even, I just scrap them. Yeah, I just scrap the fucking thing. Oh, shit's sticking all to me.
How's your shoulder doing?
I'm sore as fuck right now. But it'll get better hopefully now. Huh?
Yep.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you drop tires off free. The rubber, you bring it down there and they tell you where to put it.
Oh, I had to pay.
They don't want people to burn them or bury them, you know.